So today we will look at how we can load a Kaggle dataset into a Google Colab. So in Kaggle dataset, there are two types of dataset. One is from random user dataset and another one is active competition dataset. Dataset can have varying sizes. Some dataset have as small as 1 MB size and as large as 100 GB size. Also, some of the deep learning practices require GPU support, then can boost the training time. Google Colab is a promising platform that can help beginners to test out their code in cloud environment. So we will look at the both dataset. So if I type here Titanic, we can see the competition here. So in this competition, the data is available here. We can see there are three types of dataset in this competition. So we will load this dataset into Google Colab. We will say just data. Again, if I type here Titanic, if I click on dataset, we can see that this dataset is uploaded by a random user, not a random user, which is sign up in Kaggle. So we can download this data. We can download this data in Google Colab also, but we will see how we can directly import this data and competition data in Google Colab. First step is you need to choose a Kaggle dataset. Second, you need to download a API credential. To download the data from Kaggle, you need to authenticate with the Kaggle service. For this purpose, you need a API token. This token can be easily generated from the profile section of your Kaggle account. You need to come here, click on your profile. You can follow me on Kaggle, LinkedIn, all my social media handles are available here. Now come here and click on account. We can see the API section here. I will expire my old API token just in case. Now I will create a new API token. You have to download this API token. I will download in my desktop. Just save it as a kaggle.json file and click save. It will be downloaded. Now you need to go to Colab, click on new notebook, or you can upload your notebook, open your notebook, anything you want. I will just create a new notebook here. Ensure that you are connected from your Google account, okay? Now click on connect. So it is connected successfully. Now we can write our code and we can import the dataset into Colab. First thing, we need to install a Kaggle library. So let's install the Kaggle library. Press pip install Kaggle. Press enter plus control plus enter. So in my case, it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Now what we will do is, we will make a directory called Kaggle, mkdir. Kaggle. Now what will we do is, we will copy that kaggle.json we have downloaded. For that, you need to upload that JSON file here. So click on this icon which is upload by. Now go to your desktop and choose this Kaggle JSON we have downloaded just now, recently. Click on open. Click on OK. We can see that our JSON file is uploaded successfully. Now we will copy this JSON file into this directory. So copy kaggle.json to kaggle. Now that we have successfully copied our kaggle.json file into kaggle directory, now we will give this file a permission to execute. So type chmod 600 our directory name kaggle and kaggle.json. That's it. Now we are ready to download our dataset in in Colab. So what we will do is, we need first dataset. We will first try with the competition dataset. So come here, Titanic. Data. Okay. For downloading dataset, what we will do is, I can close this. Okay. So right here, kaggle competition download, and then the name of your competition. So what I do is, it is called the Titanic. Okay. We can see that it is downloaded successfully. If we refresh this, okay, we can see our dataset over here. You can now use the dataset. Simple, right? Now we will see how we can directly import random dataset which is uploaded by the user. Again, we will write item. Okay. This dataset is uploaded by this person, Kashayar. We need a name of this dataset. For this command, we will use kaggle datasets download. We will use both this username and this name of the dataset. Okay. Now only problem with this is, it is downloaded in the zip format. So we need to unzip the data. We can see that here. It is in zip format. Now we will just unzip the data. For this, there is a simple command called unzip. Name of your file. Our file name is titanic.zip. Okay, it is successfully unzipped. If we refresh, we can see that our train and test2.csv, which is uploaded by this user. If we come over here, okay, train and test2.csv. Now for bonus section, we will see how we can download a particular file from the competition We'll write Titan. So if we come and click over here, data, sometimes the files are very large. So if we want specific this file train.csv, what do we need is come over here, write kaggle competition, download, name of this competition Titanic, put this on line, and name of your file which you need to download. Just copy and paste over here. Okay, it is keeping font mode recently modified local copy because we have already here train.csv. If we rename this file, now we again rerun this cell. Okay, it is downloaded successfully. We can see that our train.csv is here. Thank you guys. That's about it. If you like this content, please give me a like and comment whatever doubt you have, and subscribe to my channel. This is my first YouTube video on this channel. Thank you. I will give all the commands in my description box, or you can directly download this IPython notebook on my GitHub, and do check out my GitHub repositories, Kaggle account, and my LinkedIn so we can connect. Okay, thank you guys.